whenever we miss anything, there is Hilti.
A great experience. We've had the collapses and they were the ones who have supported us.
Whenever I call, he always pick my call and give solution on the time.
Hilti is a user-friendly for me actually. I'm with Hilti since more than 14 years. For the on-site problems, got the solutions, very easy solutions in fact. Performance of the building and then the solutions what I got from the Hilti is I'm very, very satisfied with that. That is the reason I've got a long association with Hilti.
Finally, we are here in Delhi. After successful completion of Rebar Revolution events in Mumbai and in Bangalore, this was our third event in Delhi. In these events, we launched a new design method TR069, which provides code-compliant and optimized design for post-install rebar connection, as well as RE500 V4, which is the next generation of revolutionary epoxy RE500. I want to thank all the designers, consultants who attended and participated in these events. A big thank from all Hilti India employees. Thank you.